Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing. I already removed the shipping label, and in doing so, I kind of opened some of the box already, so I'll just tear the rest of this off camera and take this out of the box. I know it's a Vario, however you're supposed to pronounce it. I don't exactly remember what watch it is. This is a tour watch from the Random Rob Patreon group. So let's get this package open, or the travel case. Actually, I have a really similar travel case that came with the core timepieces 7 cents. So it looks like the same case. Sorry, that's just a bracelet hanging out there. Anyway, let's get this out of here. I really don't remember what watch this is, so I'll have to look it up and put the name in the description. Looks like quite a small watch, actually. I'm wearing my Orient Kamasu today. So let me zoom in, give you a little better idea of the size. And then I have my HK Ed Seagull 1963. So it looks to be about 38 millimeter maybe. This is hand winding. It's really lightweight. I'll have to weigh it in the full review. Looks to be a green dial with gilded hands and the indices. A gilded logo there, Vario. Quick release straps. I have purchased some straps from them in the past, some NATO straps. So yeah, it looks to be hand wind movement. Stainless steel, 5 ATM, mechanical, sapphire, and designed in Singapore. So I would imagine it's probably made in China. Let's get a close in on the dial here. Yeah, nice textured dial. It's very nice. I like how the gold kind of glows when you hit it right in the right light. Actually very similar to this HK Ed again. And that also happens to be a hand wind. So let's take a closer look at the movement. The window is quite small and by the naked eye here. So it looks to be a Japanese movement. $17 jewel. Okay, so it's a Miyota. Not sure there's a model number there for the movement, just to the left of where it says Miyota Company. Oh, very cool. You can see the gear there turning away. Both gears, actually. Right behind and to the right of the balance wheel. Let me wind this. I think this little gear here will turn when I wind it. Yep. And also the big gear in the top back. That must be the mainspring. So very cool. Let me get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. I'm a big fan of the Orient Kamasu. Such a great value. I think I've seen it recently on drop for $180 if I remember correctly. Or at least it was supposed to be on there. I couldn't find it. I have two of these. I have the white dial and I have the burgundy dial. Yeah, I look forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch. Bracelet tapers down quite a bit. It's actually pretty thin. Sorry, not the bracelet, the leather strap. This was a quick release strap as well. Or it is a quick release strap, I should say. Alright, so there's still 2 more hole positions here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess, left. So here we go on my 6.5-inch wrist. Actually doesn't look, it does look a little small, but I think it is actually a good fit for my wrist. I have a 6.5-inch wrist. This does have longer lugs, so that makes up for the smaller case diameter. I just have to get used to wearing a smaller watch. We'll zoom out for a little bit different perspective here. Sorry about the mess in the background. So let me know what you think of this watch, and I'll do a full review in a couple days here. I spent a little bit of time with this. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like the video, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch, and look forward for the full review.